Did you know you could save 60% by ditching your call center and switching to conversational AI? I'm Joe with Revmo AI. Call centers are expensive and old news, but replacing them doesn't mean losing that premium experience your customers expect. With Voice AI, you can deliver the same high-touch, personalized service at a fraction of the cost. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 3-year total cost of ownership comparison to show you exactly what that looks like. So let's break it down. For a traditional call center, 8 agents working 450 hours at $16 an hour costs you about $7,200 per week, plus another $1,800 for supervisors, $2,100 for rent and telecom, totaling about $38,000 per month. So why is Voice AI better? Well, Revmo AI cuts costs dramatically by replacing expensive call centers with just a fraction of the spend. It scales effortlessly, handles unlimited calls 24/7, and uses smart escalation so only complex calls go to live specialists. It delivers personalized service, greeting customers by name, remembering their preferences, and upselling naturally. The result? Higher revenue, better customer satisfaction, and no missed calls. What can Voice AI save you per call? 59 cents, 40,000 calls equals $23,600 versus $70,000 in payroll. That's a 60% cut. So with Revmo, calls are answered instantly, no IVRs, no long holds, and your customer satisfaction scores with AI come in at 4.6 out of 5 versus your call center at 4.2 out of 5. And it's easy to scale. No hiring, no training, no cubicles, just instant, high-touch service. Setup is simple. Connect your phone system, configure your call flows and scripts, and sync your CRM or reservation system. That's it, you're live. So for example, we have a global 180 location QSR that cut their call center OpEx by $1.9 million a year. Hit 100% answer rate and saw payback in 3 months. Take action, book a strategy call or a demo today.